Okay, so hi guys, I'm building a PC finally. So these are the components that have been delivered to me so far. So I thought maybe let's share this. I've got the processor, which is Ryzen 7 9700X. So please do share your opinions about this build. Most of the components are still on the transit, so I haven't got all of them. This is the SSD, the 1 TB Samsung 990 Pro, I guess, pretty fast. Apart from this, my GPU has been delivered, and in this particular video I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, I guess. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let me see how we can open this. Not from here. Shit. How the fuck do I open this? Okay. It's this from here, right? Yep. So here it is. The brand new RTX 5070 Ti with 16 GB of DDR7, and this is the overclocked version. Overclocked version of the Zotac GPU. So basically, this is, I guess, no, I don't remember. So yeah, whatever. There goes the outer box, and now this is the inner packaging of the GPU, and we're gonna do quick, not quick, slow opening. So there we go. Actually, this has already been opened once. Basically, the delivery was an open box delivery, so the guy who delivered this ripped it open right in front of me. So yeah, not the first time, but whatever. So basically, this is the you can say support bracket for the GPU, so it doesn't sag. And then there's this cable, which I don't know for what it is. Basically, this is my this is gonna be my first ever PC, personal computer. I've only had a laptop for a couple of years, nothing else. And yeah, I'm gonna build this myself. No technician, nothing. I am the one who selected everything, all the parts and all. So yeah, I'm planning to do a kind of streaming assembly. So this is gonna be my brand new YouTube channel, and if it does get to there, then I'll be doing the assembly on live stream. So yeah, you guys are welcome. So pretty fantastic graphics card, Zotac RTX 5070 Ti. I hope this is visible to all of you. So yep, waiting impatiently for the rest of the parts to arrive. This is the OC button, I guess. Yeah, I guess. No, this is a maybe dual BIOS thing. There's dual BIOS thing where you can run this on normal mode and performance mode, where you get some extra clock speed, maybe 2572, I guess. I don't really remember the number. This is this is something that only Zotac provides, I guess. So basically, you connect this wire to your motherboard, and then you can control the card's RGB through other software, like through which you control rest of the RGB. And this is the power connector, obviously. So yeah, pretty nice card. Okay, so this is it about the rest of my build. I'm using a MSI MAG B850 Max Wi-Fi Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi motherboard. So yeah, it hasn't been delivered yet. I'm waiting for it. For the cooler, I'm using a Peerless Assassin. Yeah, Thermalright Peerless Assassin, and the case is gonna be Lian 217 Infinity. Yeah, the Infinity version, which looks cooler than the normal wood thingy. Apart from that, for the PSU, I've gone with MSI what not the MSI, it's Corsair RM150X. So yeah, it's a A plus rated power supply. Anyway, I'll share rest of the components through the video as they arrive. And yeah, please do share your opinion or anything you have to share, any suggestion for like what components maybe I should replace. I'll maybe put all the components that I've selected on the description of the video, so yeah, you can share your opinion. And this is gonna be the very first video in this channel or Instagram reel, whatever it is. So yeah, this is all I've got right now. We'll be sharing more once I get rest of the components, and then yes, if I get to the point where I can stream live, then we'll be building this PC first time, like first experience on a live stream. So yeah, maybe you can all join in if it gets to there, that is. Thank you.